Mic check, mic check. You guys all hear me fine? Awesome, awesome. Thank you guys. I'm just going to give it one more minute. Let some people hop on here, and then we're going to get started, guys. Discord, you guys hear me? Perfect.
What's going on, Sniper?
What's going on, Dimitri Trades? All right, everyone awake? Wake up, everyone.
As before Steven says any key levels or anything, first of all, good morning. And I wanted to tell you guys, I know everybody thinks that they're going to be smart right now and doing calls 1 month out, 2 months out, 2, 3 weeks out. I don't think you guys should do that before looking at the IV. Market makers are not dumb right now. If you're planning on swinging, don't do it until you check the IV, guys. Trust me, I would love to put like 100 grand right now and 1 month, 2 months out in the money contract.
Oh, yeah.
That's not how it works. Check the IV today, guys. They're gonna be messing with the IV.
Okay, let's get started. Good morning, everyone. Hope you guys all had a great weekend. Look at this freaking dump. SPY is down right now, almost 20 points. We ended up bouncing, right? We had a big bounce from a gap that we had at 508.26. And we have a bunch of key levels. I'm so excited to be at these ranges, guys. We just have so much data, so many touch points, so many key levels down here. I do need to clear up my chart at the moment, but the game plan for today. So if you just zoom out, right, the pre-market, we ended up having a couple floors and a couple roofs here, okay? So the main levels I'm going to be trading right now are between 516 and 520, right? That's where SPY's been spending most of its time in the pre-market today, 516 to 520. To the downside, what are we looking at? First thing I'm looking at is I ended up making an uptrend line from in the pre-market. I hit the low at 507.83, connected it, right? So as long as we are holding this uptrend line right now, SPY is bullish, right? I will get bearish once we end up breaking trend. But for right now, micro bullish, guys. It's like Dimitri was just saying, don't be just buying call options a couple months out thinking you're going to be good. IV is completely jacked up. If you don't understand how any of the Greeks guys, IV and all of that, guys, don't be trading, okay? Do a little bit more research. Make sure you're checking the bid and the ask as well when you're buying in at a contract. IV is very important. And that also comes to what you also be learning. Dimitri will be teaching that in the mentorship Sniper University 4-week boot camp, if anyone is interested in that. So the low side, where am I looking at for calls? As I said, guys, I'm paying attention to this uptrend line. We have a couple touch points, right? What am I looking at? 510.50, right? Previous resistance, and now we're holding its support. This is bullish above 510.50. I like calls in this range, 510.50 to 510. Where am I looking for shorts? The first level I'm going to be looking for shorts is around 516. I have my 50 moving average here, as well as the pre-market previous floor. We held the support and we rejected it. 516, it looks like a great level to be getting shorts at, right? What are we looking at for next? We have a bunch of noise up here. I'm not going to be paying too much attention to that. I think around the 516 level, if we create a roof, I'm going to bring 516 puts deep in the money. Again, on the 5-minute time frame right now, guys, I connected and made an uptrend line. I highly recommend that everyone in here does that as well, just to know the trend. Once we crack this, I'm going to hit puts. Whatever level we're trading at, I'm sticking with the trend. Everyone needs to be sticking with the trend. SPY has dropped off so freaking much. Look at all the stocks. Apple's down 10%. Netflix is down 4%. Google's down 5%. ARM is down 10%, almost 11%. Meta's down 8%. A bunch of liquidity is leaving the market. Look at Bitcoin, right? Just because something sells off or something rips doesn't mean you buy calls or buy shorts. You need to wait for the confirmation, and that's exactly how I traded on Friday. The reason why I ended up having such a massive day, guys. I'm going to show you right now. Right? Look at this sell-off on Friday. We weren't just buying calls. Look how bearish the 30-minute time frame was, right? When you see a massive bearish candle, it usually continues. Massive bearish candle usually continues. What did we do? We ended up waiting for the 30-minute time frame. We ended up waiting for confirmation of a potential bounce, a potential support before getting into calls. And you treat this the same way I treated and traded on Friday is how you trade today, and using the daily time frame. You need to wait for confirmation of a bounce. You do not want to be catching a falling knife. Yes, I do agree that SPY has dropped way too much, but that's okay. All retail are going to be looking for calls. This is why I don't trust it at the moment, but it's not what I think. It's what the chart shows me. So we are going to be waiting for the confirmation. The levels that we are trading at right now, everyone is going to be making a lot of money. Just to retrace back up to the mid 550s, guys, is 40 points away, right? And the same to the downside, to 450. That thing is $50 away. We're in between a 50-point move to the up or downside from where we are right now. There's going to be massive overreaction trades. The best levels to be trading at, is going to all come down to confirmation on the 30-minute time frame. So I will be swing trading with confirmation. This is where last year is how Dimitri and myself were able to make decent six figures within the first couple months. And with the same price action. This is why I'm getting excited. This is why I'm telling the Discord and hyping everyone up. We are about to make a crap ton of money. We just need to wait for the confirmations. That is all. The 30-minute confirmations, the 15-minute, the 4-hour, whatever time frame, higher time frame than the 1 and the 5-minute, preferably over the 30-minute. That's all we're going to do. Wait for the confirmation. But we are about to make a lot of money. We are in beautiful, beautiful ranges to be trading at. And it's not even where we're sitting at. It's more the price action. I love the volatility because this is where people get trapped, right? And this is when you go against the trend, starts to micro flip, and then it goes back to its original direction. There's a bunch of money to get made. And even if this rips to 520, you don't just get 3-month out puts or 1-month out puts, just like how we're not buying calls when this makes a new low today. Just because it's safe doesn't mean it's smart. Just because you buy yourself time doesn't mean it's going to work. We need to wait for confirmations. When it comes to day trading, we got such nice levels, guys. I'm so excited. I'm going to make so much freaking money. I I love this type of price action. You guys should all get hyped over it. But remember, wait for confirmations. It's volatile. If you're new at trading, welcome to the dark side. Welcome to COVID days. We are here. This is where big money is going to be getting made at, as long as you are waiting for the confirmation. So the game plan for today, we got a nice uptrend line from the pre-market that cracks. We're going to a new low, if not a higher low. What I'm looking for puts, I want to bring 516 puts deep in the money. If I'm wrong here and we end up holding 516, I'm getting out and I'm going to wait for 518. And then after 518, 520. But don't worry, if you're part of the Discord, guys, Dimitri and I are live streaming in the Discord, so we will be walking everyone through the trades. But everyone on YouTube, just make sure you're using confirmation, please. Make sure you're looking at the 30-minute time frame. If you see a massive death candle, don't buy calls at the lower key level because it's probably not going to bounce. If you see a massive green Hulk candle and we're towards big resistance, don't buy puts because the trend continues on the 30-minute time frame. Use the 30-minute time frame as confirmation. But get hyped, guys. We're about to make a lot of money. It didn't break my trend line yet, buddy. But okay, YouTube, I'm going to get headed to the Discord. Remember, we have memberships right now. They're $80 a month, guys, $2 a day to be spoon-fed for live call alerts if you guys are interested. And if you do want to excel and bring your trading to the next level and create wealth, SNIPE University has started a 4-week boot camp, and that is going to be taking place in the next couple weeks. Next week, but you can take it at your own pace if you would like. Everything is recorded. We have information, pamphlets to be sending out, PDF, or we can physically ship them to your address. But that is it, guys. Thank you guys for being here so much. I appreciate it, and I'll see everyone in tonight's video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and have a great weekend, guys. Or a great week. Take care, guys.